Good morning, everybody. It is April the 9th, 2022, 4:46 a.m. and we are headed to Beaver Lake for our third event of the season. I gotta say, when we scheduled this tournament on April 9th, I was not counting on this temperature. It is officially 29 degrees outside. And I'm supposed to get up to 65. But yeah, this is definitely a cold start, and I didn't sign up for this. But it's the hand we were dealt. And it's the hand everybody else is dealt too. There's 61 of us today, so we're gonna go out there and try to beat 60 other people. But another cool thing about today is we're gonna get to try out our brand new boat. So I've taken it on the water once, and I did take a video. It was pretty uneventful. I mean, it just me testing everything out, but so I don't know if you'll ever see it, but I did check it out just to make sure that everything floated and that nothing fell apart, and so far so good. So there's a couple of adjustments that I have to make today that I learned about after the fact, but that's okay. Fired up about this one. Finally get to not have to fish in super cold water, although it's still chilly, but they're starting to move up and it's starting to happen. So excited about it, and we will see you guys when we get to the lake. I'm trying to figure out my rudder tightness. I got a lot of slack, so I think
where the thing is, though, right?
yeah, I think I need to tighten it up.
Yeah, just turn it a little bit.
That's way better. I'm afraid of it because I know that's what Cull did at the All-American and popped his rudder cable.
Oh no, yeah, no, you don't have to do it that much.
Right? Okay. Man, I feel like I mean, the fact that I didn't have to unload a single rod, I'm just all messed up.
Feel like you forgot them, huh?
My box is there, my plastics are here, I got my board. That's the thing, like, it's a whole new setup. Right. It's not like going from one old town to another. It's a whole new thing. All right, it is officially lines in, but I'm not quite to my spot yet. A couple hundred yards and we'll be ready to go. Okay. Started out with the old black and blue chatterbait, 634. We didn't do too bad. We didn't do too bad. Now we just gotta catch a fish. Well, that didn't take very long either. $14 and a half. All right, all right. It's getting colder. I got one by my third cast. You got any?
I got a 1975 on that on the third cast with it.
Really?
I've got like 63.
Holy crap. I tell you what, I mean, I started out with the black and blue chatterbait, and that's what I caught mine on, but it was just, I just got one, but I threw it all up and down this bank, and it just didn't feel right, but I might be throwing the wrong thing. I'm behind. Good thing I got like 7 hours. Well, that's good news and that's bad news, because good news is they're eating. I just hadn't figured out how to catch them. Bad news is I'm already starting out behind, so gotta go figure them out. Okay, well, dang, he's hot. All right, decent one, 15 1/4. Need 4 more, bigger than that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Ooh. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. That's a friggin' giant. All right, look at that. $21. Beautiful. There she goes. Oh, boys and girls, that boy, that's fun. Let's do that again. As soon as we As soon as we get off the ground. Not that, you know, there's usually a whole lot of, there's not 2 or 3 21 inchers on one tree, but you know, let's just go ahead and see if maybe there's a smaller one. Alright, let's see what we got here. 78 1/4. That's good. Okay, now 12.75, 14.5. Alright. Got that limit. Heck yeah. I mean, flat, choked. Yeah. $83. Okay, we got a 14.5. We got a Cull. Okay, every one of these lay downs in 2 feet of water, so we gotta be hitting these. Okay. I mean, the chances that there's another one isn't great, but I'd be dumb not to try. I mean, that dude was in no water. Thought that fish was bigger than that. But we got a 1/2 inch Cull. So Can't really complain. And man, the ones that are eating it are absolutely tattooing it. Well, what do you think about that? Crushed it. Okay, gotta get back out here in the middle, first of all. Gotta get the sun behind my back. Boom, another good one. 17 and a half. Crushed. Again, crushed. And to be honest with you, I need spinnerbait. Boy, you've been a good one. Nope. But once again, crushed. Yep. Sometimes there's a pattern that holds up. Another good one. Another good one. Well, good news and bad news. Good news is we're getting close to 90 inches. Bad news is I'm about to run out of everything that looks like what I've caught them on. It's only noon and I got 3 hours left. All right, so here's what we need to do. We're gonna run over and we're gonna fish this one, this flat point. I don't see any timber on it, but I mean not out in the water, but maybe there's some over there. There's just barely enough. But I don't know if that's gonna help. Barely. I think we got a quarter. No way. Okay, 3 o'clock. Good timing. Back at the truck and getting ready to load up and head to the weigh-in. So it's been a fun day. Caught a lot of fish, caught a lot of big fish, and it just worked out. So we'll go back and see where we land. I'm sure somebody else caught them, but we'll just have to see. That was a good day. It was a good day. So, managed to hang on to first place, and my 21-inch managed to hang on for big bass. I had such a good time. But anyway, that'll do it for this one. 3rd event's in the books. 4th event coming up next here in 2 more weeks. But maybe I'll be lucky enough to take a couple more of these home. But until then, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.